Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. Super excited to be back with you guys. Yesterday I was actually talking to a bunch of leaders. I was doing a leadership masterclass for a client, and one of the questions that came up was about confidence. Now, these bunch of leaders were asking whether confidence is a trait that people are naturally blessed with, or is it a trait that can be actually developed? Is it a skill? Is it an attitude? Is it a mindset? What is confidence all about? And it got me thinking, and I thought why not record a video and share it with all those people who are actually right now going through a phase where they're not feeling very confident. Now, whether you're looking for a new job, whether you're starting off something new, maybe you want to write a book, maybe you want to launch a podcast, maybe you want to launch your own business, maybe you want to do something different, and you're not feeling really confident about it right now. And if that's the space that you are in, then this video is absolutely for you, because this is a moment, because of the uncertainty, many of us are feeling not very confident. And if we understand how does confidence work, then maybe we'll be able to take that one step forward. So that's the intent of me recording this video. So whatever pursuit that you are in right now, if you're not feeling confident, stick to this video and learn simple things to feel confident, right? So if you're with me, let's jump in. I'm going to jump behind the board to explain how does the entire confidence work. So are you ready? If you're ready, grab a piece of a paper and a pen as well. Don't just listen to all these videos. So make some notes and apply the lesson. So I'm going to jump behind the screen and I'm going to share what confidence is all about. So hey guys, I hope you're ready. I hope you got your notes and you're ready to make some notes and make this entire learning opportunity much more meaningful. So if you're ready with your notepads, think about it for a moment. You have this one person around you, may it be your colleague, may it be your family member. He often stands out because, in his mind, or maybe you have seen him saying that, I am confident. You might have seen him displaying all the traits of a confident person. The way he stands, the way he carries himself, his body language, his aura around is all about confidence. He's really exuding confidence out of him. And what could be the reason? What are the things that he or she is doing because of which they are unstoppable and they are always feeling confident? I feel that there is an anatomy to all of this. And if you understand this and if you apply it, you can be confident too. So how does this thing work is, remember, there are 3 simple T's. And if you can understand these 3 T's and you can practice it, you will be confident as well. Any pursuit that you have, anything that you are going through, you got to first make an attempt to try. The first step is to try. Try making an effort. And when you try making an effort, you got to trust that you will succeed. But the truth is, you will not succeed every time. Yes? And what happens when you fail? If you succeed, brilliant, you have some feedback for you and you will feel confident when you succeed. But what if you fail? When you fail, here is what you do. You train. You improve your skills and you continue to do that forever. You try, you trust that you will succeed, and when you fail, you actually train yourself hard. Think about it for a moment. In any pursuit that you have been in a pursuit where you felt confident, this is the thing that you followed. You tried and you never thought that whether I'll fail or whether I'll succeed. You succeeded, good, you felt confident. But when you failed, if you trained hard, if you continued to train hard, you felt more confident. But if you tried and you just trusted saying I will succeed, and you didn't succeed and you went back, you tried second time, probably after that you never tried. The problem is you never trained yourself. So people who are highly confident, they try, they trust, and they train. And they continue to do this forever. They try, they trust, and they train. They are open to, let me write this down here, they are open to failing. They're open to learning. Finally, they are open to taking action. These are the few things that makes anybody feel confident, right? So if you understand this, I want you to, under this video, write this down. Try, trust, and train. Write this down under this video. I'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the video, you understood what confidence is, and you're ready to take those 3 steps forward. Well, if you like this video and if you think that this message has to reach more people, please do share this video with more people. Please tag the people who are not feeling really confident at this moment and they got to listen to this message. And do leave me some feedback. I love listening to the feedback that's coming my way to make these videos more effective, right? Do leave me a message. I would love to have some feedback from you guys. Finally, I want you to aim high. I want you to love deep. I want you to grow wise. Signing off. My name is Sharat Sharma. See you in another video.